Hey guys, what's up? Is Barkat here. Welcome to this video, and in this video I am going to cover how to set up Google Ad conversion tracking for lead from submissions using GTM, I mean Google Tag Manager. So if you don't know how to set up Google Ad conversion tracking specifically only for lead from submission, I think this video is for you. Just watch the video, and end of the video you will have a clear idea how to track lead from submissions in Google Ads using GTM. So I will see you in the main video after the short intro. So to set up a conversion tracking for lead from submission using GTM, so you need couple of things. First thing is funnel. Whatever funnel you are using, maybe in GHL, I mean GoHighLevel, maybe in WordPress, maybe in other CMS, doesn't matter actually. So I use GHL, I mean GoHighLevel on daily basis, and for this video as well I will show you using GoHighLevel funnel how to track conversions in Google Ads using GTM. And also you must have the GTM, I mean Google Tag Manager account setup. So if you don't have any Google Tag Manager account, I will show you in this video. Don't worry, I will show you step by step how to create a Google Tag Manager account and how to set up the GTM code inside the GoHighLevel funnel and how to track the conversions actually. So just stay with this video. So first thing, this is the funnel I have, and this is the sample and dummy funnel I have for this video. So you can see like I added domain with this funnel like consult.imbarkat, and you can see this is the funnel. Actually this is the dummy funnel anyway, and this is the thank you page. After someone submit the lead from this landing page, this thank you page will trigger actually. This is the thank you page, 3 services, thank you. So what I am going to do actually, inside this funnel, let me grab the thank you page real quick, and here what I will do, I will just click on the edit a new tab, and on the from I have to make sure that when someone submit it, and it should be redirected to a thank you page. I have to make sure that before I set up the GTM. So let me see, this is the funnel, and I would see go to the website URL and I will paste the offer actually. So this is the offer and it should be new tab. That's it. Hit save and publish. So what I did actually, when someone submitted and after submitting it successfully, this thank you page will appear. I mean it will be redirected after someone submit the lead from. So this is the thank you page. Anyway, this is a dummy content as you know that. So we are done with the funnel part. So let's create a GTM, I mean Google Tag Manager account. So for that you have to go to the Google, Chrome browser, and just whatever browser you have anyway, so Safari or Chrome, whatever. So just type tagmanager.google.com. This is the URL. Just type in Google and you will see this kind of interface on your screen. But here you can see there are lots of accounts. I think I have more than 50 accounts in Tag Manager. I think more than 50. Anyway, I didn't count it. So here you can see create account. So click on the create account and just click, mention the account name, whatever the business name you have. So probably I will see tree service dummy, and I will just write video, for video, because I'm just recording this so that I can show you. After that I will remove this Tag Manager because I have already a couple of Tag Manager accounts. So then what do you need to do actually? You need to grab the URL, this URL. So I will grab this URL, funnel landing page URL, and just go to the Tag Manager again, select the country and just paste it here, and of course without HTTPS. So I'll just remove the HTTPS and click on the wave, the target platform should be wave, and just click on the create icon, and you will see this kind of what it called like service agreement. Just click on the checkbox. I also accept the data processing terms required by like GDPR, and just click on the hit yes. We are done with the creating the Tag Manager account successfully, and here right now you can see install Google Tag Manager head and body tag. So if I just get rid of from here, and you can find the same screen, just click on the admin on the top bar and you will see like install Tag Manager. Click on install Tag Manager and you will see the same interface. So I would copy the head code and just click on my CRM side and just click on the settings on my GoHighLevel CRM and just place on the code. And same thing I would do for the body tag. Just click on the body and go to the CRM and just. So after pasting the head code and body code, head and body tracking code, I will just hit save button from the funnel builder, from the funnel actually, and it's done actually. And let me grab the URL once again and just click on the Google Tag Manager, just paste the URL here and just hit test. And if it shows the green icon before the URL, that means it's successfully done. If it's not, see the green icon, that means successfully installed. What we need to do actually, click on the workspace, and here the most important thing, drag and trigger. So we will play with the tags and triggers. So how it works in terms of triggers, I will just click on the new and I will just create a conversion linker. conversion linker, and I will click on the tag configurations and conversion linker. You can see, just click on the conversion linker and trigger. It should be all page, and it's done. So we have set up the conversion linker successfully, and some people say that we need to set up the G tag, I mean Google tag. So it's up to you, I think. So click on the tools and data manager, and you will see, a Google tag, actually Google tag option. Click on the manage icon, I mean manage button actually, and you will find this is the code. You see AW, and last of 3 digits is 125. So this is the G tag code. I would say like G tag, and click on the here, and you can see G tag. I will just press the ID, and trigger should be all pages. It's done, it's loading. Give me 1 second. So I need to click on the hit save, and our G tag is successfully set up. So what do we need to do actually? So just understand the flow. So how we track the conversions, we need to track like couple of things, right? But we on this video we just talking about the lead from submissions. We are not talking about the phone calls. So how this works, when someone submits, actually we are redirecting them to a new thank you page, right? And this is the thank you page URL. If I just show you, so that means we will track using page visit. So if someone's visit this page through our journey from Google Ad, of course, then we will track as the conversions. Not something like that if someone searches, and if you just someone like found these pages on on website, on whatever, like let's say if I just browse this page, Google will not track as a conversion. Just like understand the process. It should be from the like Google ad journey. Google track as a clicked ID from the URL. Like it's a technical part, so you don't need to understand anyway. Just follow the process what I am showing you on this video. And so to understand the process, first is someone submit it, and we are redirecting to a thank you page. So we have the thank you page, right? And we need to log in our Google Ad account first. Just click on the Google Ad account and just click on the goals, and under goals you can see the conversions. Click on the summary under the conversions, and you will see there are lots of options. You can create like couple of conversions goals. Click on the create conversion actions, and under that you will see there are lots of options you can select. So for us right now, what we are going to select, maybe it's a book appointment or maybe request a code. So for the services, what we are doing is a tree service, right? And this is a tree service, and this is a simple lead from, this is not a book appointment. So I would suggest you to track using request a code. So click on the request a code. So here you can see the create conversion icon. Just click on the plus, create conversions, and of course see, we connected the website, our funnel with the Google Tag Manager using G tag, and you can see that one, console.iamworker.com. This is the website URL which I used for my funnel. So click on the here, and you can see like there is two options. Of course, choose the manual code, manual with code, and click on the conversion setting, and it should be primary, and you can name it like request a code. I would say tree service for these videos so that we can track it, and of course we don't use any value. It should be 90 days, 3 days, and everything should be like as it is, and just click on the done and save and continue. And here you can see like three options: set up with G tag, email instruction to the webmaster, and using Google Tag Manager. So we will use that one, of course, for sure. And here you can see the conversion ID and the conversion level. So we need these both. So go to the tag manager and click on the tag and click on the new, and here you should do request code service. I just name it, whatever name you can add here, it's up to you. In terms of track configurations, you should select the Google Ad. Click on the Google Ad, and you will see there are lots of options. Of course you should track, Google Ad conversion tracking. Just click on here, and you will see like conversion ID, conversion level. So go to the Google Ad dashboard again, and see this is the conversion IC, conversion ID, and this is the conversion level. So just copy the conversion ID first and paste it here, and go to the Google Ad Manager again, Google Ad dashboard, and just click on the conversion level. Just copy, grab the conversion level from here and just paste it here. That's it. And you can see like Google tag is found in this container because we set up the G tag. That means it's founded like inside our container. Container means this is the container. In Tag Manager it's called container. Anyway, so go to the triggering. Just click on the triggering, and you should use a new thank you page as a trigger. When someone submits the thank you page through our Google Ad journey, then this tag should be fired. So click on the plus icon. You can see on the right hand side, click on the plus icon, and we need to create a new trigger actually. So I would just name it thank you page view. Anyway, like whatever name you want to add here, it's up to you. Again, click on the tag configurations and you can see like page view, and it should be some page views, and we need to select the variable. I would select the page path and it should be contains, and I need to grab the URL from here actually. So this is the URL, so I'll just copy the URL, I mean thank you page URL of course, and click on the tag manager and it should be here. So I will just remove the like domain part, just hit save right now. Yeah, once it's saved and hit save again, the tag should be saved, and before we test just click on the submit and you need to publish one more time. I don't use any descriptions anyway, so it's up to you again, and click on the workspace again, and I need to submit, I mean finish it here on the Google Ad dashboard. Click on the finish and it's done, right? And this is the request code, and it's inactive because until a valid conversion recorded under this conversion action, it should be inactive, but after it's recorded a conversion, it should be active, so it's not a big deal. Anyway, so you can see like misconfigured, so don't like worried about anything, just skip it for now. And here you can see we are done, and container quality is excellent. So we need to preview the page. Click on the preview icon, and I need to grab the URL again. So click on the GHL, and I need to grab the URL, this URL. Just copy the URL and go to the GTM and just click here, and just click on the connect icon, and it's connected, I believe. Let's see. It's open a new page, and you can see it's connected, and see tag fired, conversion linker and the G tag. It's a default tag. Of course, it should be fired for every page visit, but this is not fired. You can see tag not fired request code, because it will not fire until we submit the thank you page. And see tag is connected. Let me refresh the page one more time. See, it's not fired yet. So let me submit the from. So this is my name actually, so I can this is the option 1, and I need to grab the phone number. So for now I'll just copy the phone number and just hit paste. So yeah, I pasted an option 1. This is the dummy of course. So click on the request and request a callback, and our thank you page loaded. That means our tag is fired. That means the flow, I mean the conversion tracking, the lead from conversion tracking, which is set up using GTM, it's correctly set up, I mean perfectly working. So yeah, congratulations, you have done the conversion tracking of course. And yeah, I mean this is the part 1. That means we need to track the phone calls as well, but we are successfully done the lead from submissions, but we need to track the phone calls as well. If you have any question, feel free to ask any question in the comment below, and I will try to answer the comment as soon as possible. And that's it.